Say again?
Where do they plant?
So we plant on the far side of the map. They have to plant on this side of the map. Not exactly. I know roughly. I do not have a map currently.
Well, we can check at the next
Yeah.
Oh, they're like that corner? We can employ tactics next round.
Oh, diagonal?
Right now, let's just kill some bastards.
Oh, really?
Say again?
Right now, let's just kill some bastards.
Yeah. Go! Somebody dropped the grenade.
Yes. They're on the trees, pal. They're in the
Somebody dropped the phone. Somebody lost the phone already.
Died already?
No, somebody lost the phone already.
I think they could plant flag there.
Hey, ref. 10 seconds in, somebody lost the phone already.
Ooh, thanks. Why would you bring it out here?
Yeah,
Not secure. Yeah. Thanks for turning it in.
no problem. I got one of my own. I don't need it.
Containers, there's a shit ton coming your way.
Yep.
I'll put somebody else on the far left, going into containers.
Alright. We need some more people that way.
Keep on moving. You guys going in.
Alright. Shit now. Spread out a little bit.
Try and move up to containers.
We got people moving that way already. I wouldn't recommend going straight in, but large enemy force moving towards containers. Oh, my boots are screwed up already. What? My boots are screwed up already. The soles inside are moving. I don't see anything. Let's move.
keep moving.
Gotcha.
Alright, it looks like we have containers pretty.
No, we don't. You good, man?
Yeah, my phone.
Ah.
We're gonna run up to that building.
What?
We're gonna run up to that building.
Which one? The one right here or the one over there?
One closest to us.
Alright.
Alright, ready? There are people there, so be careful, don't get hit.
Alright.
3, 2. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, shit. Yeah, I know why the Army uses this shit. This shit's resilient. See one?
Who's gonna wait it for me?
No, it was red. But I didn't hit him. Dang. The goggles are already fogging off. Run up to there.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. What the heck I doing? Red container.
Red container?
Red container across the doorway. You see it?
Yeah. I can't get a clear shot. Do we run over to them?
Nah. Too crowded. Red container. They got a bunch of them over there.
Oh, I see one.
Yeah. Alright,
I got a bad feeling that they're in the forest.
What?
I got a bad feeling that they're in the forest.
Oh yeah, they for sure are.
Are we running?
Alright. See that container back there?
Yeah?
Run over there, I'll cover you. On my mark, alright? Ready? Go!
Good, bro?
They got this place pinned down.
We got the flank secured as well.
What?
They have their flank secured over there.
Alright, well, we're losing flank over there.
What, secured?
Yeah. I've seen like a dozen red guys come back all hit. We got a few of us over there still, but we're losing that flank hard.
I don't know where the fuck they're going. I hear them. I don't see shit.
Now they're out there. They got this.
Get it.
Cover. I'm gonna move across. All right.
Okay.
Ready? On your mark.
Go, go, go.
Cover me!
Somebody shot.
Dude, they got that fucking container locked down, bro.
You want to move up into the forest and sleep around?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
My guys are already fucking.
Yep.
That person got shot. I think there's still some up top.
Hey guys. No problem. Patrick?
Oh.
I don't know if we're going to be able to push from this side, to be honest.
Well, we can't let them outflank us.
Yeah.
Well, we let them come through these forests unopposed, they're going to have this whole sector.
Yeah.